watch.
Watch where you're... Well, if you'd move over, why do I have to take a back seat while your dog rides up front?
Very simple. Dada paid an absolute fortune for her, and she has better breeding than you do.
Look! That building! It's on fire! Stop the car!
I'll call the fire department. Bing ring, do your thing!
Wow, it's really blazing. I better hot-foot it up there. That's one fire that's all washed up.
Hey, what happened to the fire?
The thing put it out, and you missed his spectacular performance, as usual.
Hiya, Fancy Pants. Where you cats going with that dog?
Cats and dogs. That's funny, Mike.
Please remove your arm from my motor car. You're smudging the wax.
I asked you a question polite-like. Where you taking the mutt?
A mutt? I'll have you know that Countess is headed for the Centerville Dog Show, where she will take the best in-show prize, as usual.
Well, excuse me, Your Highness. Don't let us peasants delay you.
Oh, you won't.
That Fancy Pants is getting too big for his fancy pants. You know it, but I got a way to cut him off at the pockets. This'll be our headquarters, guys. We need a place like this to rehearse the caper, and nobody'll think of looking for us here.
What caper? Huh, Mike?
We're gonna throw a scare into Ronald by borrowing his dog from the dog show.
But Ronald won't let us borrow his dog, Mike.
We ain't asking his permission, Sprocket Head. We're just gonna split with the mutt.
Oh!
Good. We gotta work this just right, so I brought along an old pal of ours from Yancey Street. Roscoe, come here. We're gonna run you through the caper. You ready? Stretch, you know the plan, so let's get started. Right. Turkey, you be the dog.
Huh?
I said you be the dog.
Ah! Oh! Oh!
Okay, Roscoe, get him to chase you. Gotcha! Nice work, Roscoe. Oh, this is gonna be a cinch.
Wow, talk about putting on the dog.
Nothing's too good for Countess. She's bound to win this show, you know. Oh, waiter. It's your favorite snack, Countess. Filet mignon.
Okay, Roscoe, this is your big chance. Go get him, Tiger.
Oh, no. Dada is going to be excruciatingly displeased.
Not only that, he'll be mad.
Well, they don't have Countess at the dog pound.
Who knows where she could be by now?
Oh, this is an absolute catastrophe. The one and only Ronald Radford III of the Radfords here.
We got your dog, Ronald.
What? Who is this?
Never mind who this is. Come to the phone booth at 5th and Main. We'll take it from there.
How do I know you have Countess? Oh, it's her. Don't worry, sweetums. Ronnie, mommy, commy, woo-woo. We just wanted to teach you and your snobby dog a lesson. Signed, guess who? What's this? Countess! Oh, Ronnie can miss his brother with a puppy wuppy. Yeah, that.
Quick, which way did the dog nappers go?
Dog nappers, all I saw was a cat.
Hey, maybe Countess can give us some clue to where they held her.
Aha, there are 3 words. First word. Sounds like... cold. Sounds like cold.
I got it. Old.
Okay, the first word is old.
Second word.
An ambulance?
Fire engine? Police car. Police.
Third word.
Sounds like tail. Bail, stale.
Jail. Jail.
Old police jail? That's a funny place for dog nappers to hide.
Countess, do you mean that old abandoned police jail on the edge of town?
That does it. Come on. Well, here's the old police jail.
Speaking of police, hadn't we better notify them about the thieves?
But what if the thieves get away in the meantime?
Oh, rats, you're right.
You got any toes? No, dope. Fish. Somebody coming after us, huh? Come on, gang. We'll give our visitors a little, surprise.
Gotcha!
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, let go. Get me out of here.
Run for it, Countess. We gotta help them. Bing ring, do your thing.
Come on, Countess. I'll clobber those dog nappers, and you can get even with that sneaky cat.
You'll be sorry, you ruffian.
Sure, make yourselves comfortable.
When I get my mitts on those guys, it's gonna be curtains for 'em.
What's that?
It's that mountain of trouble, the thing.
Let's get out of here. We're saved. It's the thing. Hurry, thing. It's the Yancey Street gang.
Don't worry, kid. They can't hide from the idol of millions. Countess, you find that cat.
Snap it up, Turkey. We gotta split.
Going somewhere, fellas?
It's him again.
Glad drop in. They can use volunteers like you guys down at the dog pound.
It's a beautiful trophy, Ronald. I'm glad Countess got back to the show in time to win.
Me too. Where is she?
Oh, getting her nightly beauty rinse from her maid.
Hey, someone's at the door.
That's very good, Benji. You again. Look what somebody left on my doorstep. We're through feeding this dummy. You keep him. Signed, Spike. Well, I suppose we could keep you. But of course, we'll have to give you a bath.
A